Yeah, hazmat, baby. A little freestyle right here. All I wanna do is smoke the finest green and rap all day, man, you know what I mean. I just gotta go ahead and keep going, keep flowing. Just gotta go ahead and keep going, keep flowing. Yep, all I know is how to do is smoke the finest green and rap every day that I dream. Yep. Oh, I be lighting up that kush all day. I'ma tell you, man, listen to the words that I spray. Just gotta go ahead and keep smoking up this weed. And tell you, man, I'ma go and walk all these streets and battle rap everyone in front of me. Matter of fact, I'ma go ahead and step on people's feet, cause I don't give a fuck, man. Got that swag. I'ma tell you fuckers, I walk around in money bags. Yeah. Yo, I just wanna be famous. Matter of fact, I'm so famous, like fucking famous Amos. You don't even know about this shit. I'ma tell you, man, I be up on that KFC shit. Yep, I be eating fried chicken all day and eating grits and do what I say. I practice what I preach. I'm the best in all these streets, and these motherfuckers can't get anything like me. I'm just making no sense. I'm high as a kite. I don't really care, man. I put my fist in fight. I start fucking riots. I don't really care. Niggas like to supply. I don't care. You can deny. So why try it? Yeah, man. Here I am. I'ma tell you, motherfuckers, I'm here to be a man. Yep. I got a record deal out in Detroit, Michigan, and I'ma make these fuckers haters keep on bitching. Yep, you know I be trigger fooling. Oh man, I'm not even fooling. Yep, I be rolling around the hood in a fucking Cadillac. What you know about that? Nothing. 24-inch rims, go and run, tell your friends my Cadillac is more fresh than your Mercedes Benz. I'm so fresh and crazy. I'll tell you one thing, I'm 18 with a baby. Yeah, gotta make that paper, gotta go ahead and pay some child support. I see you later. Yeah, my baby mama's crazy, but I don't give a fuck, cause I gotta go ahead and keep doing things up. Yo, snake us bees up, throw your seeds up. I don't care, I just don't give a fuck. I linger around this town, looking down my feet. I'm gonna tell you niggas I walk your streets. Not a damn bullet has touched me. Motherfuckers can't judge me, but they won't budge me. I got weak material, but I don't give a fuck, cause I'm serious about my rap shit. Yeah. Man, I gotta stop being high.